Hey, this is JR here at CES 2020. We're in the JBL car booth, JBL mobile products. And mobile is not just car anymore, it is so many other vehicles. For example, golf carts, ATVs, big side-by-sides. You know, you got a farm and you want to have a vehicle that you can ride around on the farm, or you want to go four-wheeling out in the woods. Why not? And why not have music while you're doing that? And that's what the JBL Cruise X is all about. Now, I own a motorcycle. I have a pair of JBL Cruise speakers on my bike. It's an adventure touring bike. I can go anywhere with it, and I have music while I'm doing it. Again, you should have music while you're out there having fun on your side-by-side, and the Cruise X makes that possible. The way it does that is with a separate amplifier. So this is a 4-channel, 25 watt by 4 amplifier. You can get music into the amplifier a couple of different ways. You have an auxiliary input, a USB input, and of course it has Bluetooth. So this hides away, you don't even see it. This is what powers the speakers. You control the sound while you're driving with this nice little rotary volume knob, so you don't have to go to your phone to control the volume while you're driving. And it comes with 4 separate speaker pods. And these speaker pods are impressive. The sound is great. I can tell you from experience, I have these exact speaker pods on my motorcycle. These come with brackets, though, that are amazing for hooking them up and connecting them to whatever kind of roll cage you might have. And when I say whatever kind of roll cage, I mean it. The brackets use what looks like a hose clamp, so it's flexible and it is very adjustable from everything from a very small size, like a roll bar cage type thing, to a very large one, maybe up to, we couldn't say exactly, 3.5, 4 inches in diameter. Basically any roll cage out there, it's going to be able to attach to those. Once you have them mounted, you can angle these speakers any way you want. It has about a 35-degree articulation, so you can get them pointed right where you want them so that the sound sounds best for you, the driver, your passengers, all of that. So this is the JBL Cruise X. 4 passive speakers, a separate amplifier to power them with a volume knob. Play whatever music you want from your phone or whatever device you have with you while you're out there having fun on the golf course, in the woods, on your farm, whatever you're doing. So the JBL Cruise X, we're pretty excited about this system. I think it's going to sound good and make your fun times on those vehicles even more fun.